Bachelor is ending slowly in Thailand. We have Harsh and Akshay also here. Nice.
The best part about hotels is the chicks.
Bro, why do you think there are so many Russians out here in Thailand?
Because Russia is at war. Hold up.
We are heading out. Going to explore Bangla Street. Anyways, we're heading there to do the shoot. This looks much of like a residential area. There are a lot of houses outside. I'm going to show you how it looks outside here. So yes, this is where we are heading. And then we have Harsh and Akshay also here. Night one actually, yeah. Sounds better. Night one sounds much better. Bachelor is ending slowly in Thailand. So these are how the streets of Thailand look like. These are just regular streets. But if you have a look at what goes around this entire street, is mad. That's our tuk-tuk. Just see how fancy it is. We have some lit speakers in our tuk-tuk.
We'll connect and we'll put some music.
So the audio is coming from the speakers right now. No helmet, 3 people riding. Look at those vehicles, bro. Was this your first time to Hooters?
No man, I have been here a couple of times.
You've been to Hooters a couple of times. Nice.
The best part about hotels is the chicks. The ones who serve you.
The ones you cannot see from now onwards. Harsh, tell me what's exciting about Hooters? The food or the
Everything here is food only, you know?
Yeah, boy. That's it.
bad? The boys are still settling the tuk-tuk. Akshay, are you ready to eat in Hooters? What are you here for? What's very exciting about Hooters?
Chicken.
So we're going into Hooters right now. The best chicken wings in Thailand, they claim. So this is the type of menu you get here at Hooters. You have a lot of combos to choose from, and I think they're very well known for their wings as well. This is their wing section and this is their pricing. Alright guys, I just got my mic connected for giving you all some ASMR. I'm gonna give you some real reviews on Hooters. There's a lot of chicken right here and a lot more coming. Without dipping, I'm gonna try. Bro, my god, this is not like any crispy wings I've ever tried before. This is completely different. I think the quality of meat itself is very different here. It doesn't feel like regular chicken, guys. I should be a fool calling this regular chicken because this whole meat itself is different. Now we're going to try it with the dip.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
I like how the meat is so juicy, bro. Yeah. It's so juicy in every bite, guys.
It's easy also.
Guys, Hooters as a brand keeps its promises of ordering. It feels like I'm going to be a food blogger at this point. A lot of calories going in this 6 days in Thailand. But yes, we got to burn that all out in Bangalore. But that's another story. Until then, we're eating everything that's possible in Thailand. From crocodile to scorpions. I'm not sure if these boys will have it. But I'm sure I will have it. Let's go. Bro, why do you think there are so many Russians out here in Thailand?
Because Russia is at war.
And Thailand is a free world. Alright guys, so that was quite some time at the cafe. we had we had some ice creams, and yes, now we're heading to the next place. What is it called? What street is it called?
Bangla Street.
We're going to Bangla Street right now. It's just the next lane. And yes, it's going to be amazing. Bro, I really understand why you said Vice City. We just crossed through a couple of stores that we could not record at, for the obvious reasons. But yes, guys, Thailand is wild. It just feels like you're in a whole different world altogether.
GTA Vice City.
GTA Vice City all the way, bro. So we have a lot of exotic fruits here, guys. It's definitely not the fruits that we see around. Bro, Thailand not only just has different places, bro, but it also has like different fruits, different like groceries. Everything is like completely different here. There's some pub over here. Also, guys, what I have to really tell you is this place is so awake right now at 4 a.m. It's 4 a.m. right now. It's so alive. There's so many people out here. We are entering the Patong Beach. Look at that. Madness. The boys are here. Harsh, would you really call this the church street of Phuket or a hidden street that will never be found?
I don't think church and this goes together.
I definitely agree, bro. We have a really huge gorilla there. So guys, we're going into one of the best clubs. We're going into Illusions. We have a lot of big artists and a lot of big lineup that's happening here. We are in one of the best clubs of Phuket. So we are done with Illusions and now we are heading to, I don't know where we are going right now. Where are we going right now, bro?
We are still deciding. I want to go that side. He wants to go this side.
Let's go that side. Let's go that side, huh? Let's go that side. So this is our tuk-tuk, guys. And we are leaving. New tuk-tuk, new lights.
This is new Bluetooth. New Bluetooth.
We just came back to the room, and with that, we have to end day 1 of Thailand, guys. Day 2 and all the other days, the next 6 days is going to be wild. I'm going to be vlogging each day, the whole experience that we're going to be having here. And yes, with the boys again. With that, signing off to you with Pranay.